We are going to see that how to send the real-time accelerometer events from Windows Phone and to visualize into the Power BI. So it's almost is everything end-to-end demo that's being based on Microsoft IoT data platform. It's one of the foundation apps that you can sense in the Internet of Things. That's IoT foundations with having big data problems and with visualization stuff that's being showing in Microsoft Power BI. So in this first app, as you can see through this code, what I'm intended to do is basically I'm intended to send the real-time events from accelerometer like X, Y and Z coordinates events. I'm going to send over this all the real-time events into an Azure blob storage, and from the blob storage, the data would be sent to the Azure Event Hub, and from Event Hub, through the help of Azure Stream Analytics SQL query, it would be passed into the Power BI, and you'll be able to see the real-time dancing dashboard on Power BI preview portal itself. So here first what I'm doing so far is basically I'm going to deploy this app. So let me click on device, and you could be able to see that it would be showing in VS that's being the deploy is being started, and here goes my Windows Phone. It's in Lumia 1020, and here goes my data events. So I'm clicking on data events. Let's click on enable. Here I'm able to see that the data is being passing in accelerometer. So a little bit check it, X, Y, Z coordinates so far. So I'm being checking, and here goes my Azure Storage Explorer, where this data is being getting to be saved all in real time. And after that, in the next code, what I'm sending, I am sending this data from the Azure blob storage into Azure Event Hub. So the data has been passing into in real time into this Azure Event Hub so far, and here is the data which is being sending the real-time events of this Windows Phone accelerometer X, Y, Z coordinates events. It's being pushing into Azure Event Hub, right? So let's check next into Azure Management Portal. So here this is our WP sensor stream analytics job which is being running, and this is goes the query which is being by which we have been creating first a table which is have the schemas like ID coordinate, X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z coordinate. And in the stream analytics SQL, we have been counting the total numbers of IDs with the values of X, Y and Z coordinates values. And finally, after pushing this coordinates values, after taking out this value through stream analytics SQL, we have been pushing into the sensor BI, that's a Power BI. So as you can see in this outputs, if I just click on this, I would be able to see that in the sensor BI and the Power BI output, I have just connected so far to get the real-time visualization into Power BI. And also already in the input I have been connected the event hub from which I have been pushing the events from the Azure blob storage. So let's move on to the Power BI portal. So here goes our Power BI portal, and in the Power BI, as you can see, I have created the WP Sensor Analytics Power BI preview portal. So in the first dashboard, as you can see, the total count of accelerometer ID. So it's just been counting up the total numbers of the IDs that's being gathered through in from the Windows Phone. That's how I've been pushing through. In the second gauge, you'll be able to see that is being pushing through the total numbers of the Y coordinates values. Similarly, here in this gauge, you'll be able to see the total values of total count of X coordinates and total count of Z coordinates. And here in this column chart, you'll be able to see the total counts of IDs that's based on the X coordinate and Z coordinates values. It's all based on the real-time values that I am pushing through my Windows Phone. So as this the values has been changing so far, and so these values would be also being changing. This dancing dashboard is being changing through this Power BI, and so here everything that's been working so far is being what we are doing is let me show up this app when I'm being running this app directly from my phone. So here goes my accelerometer CS, and I am clicking on data event, clicking on enable, and I'll be able to see the data is being pushing into the Azure blob storage, and from blob to Azure Event Hub, and Event Hub to Stream Analytics into Power BI, and I'll be able to see that the dashboard would be real time, would be changing. So as you can see, if I just move my phone a little bit, the graphs are being changing in real time. Graphs are going to be changed in real time. So all this visualization that's been happening, so everything's being happened in real time, and the data has been pushing into the event hub in real time, and the dashboard is also changing in real time. So this is an example of a real-time dancing dashboard. It's a true end-to-end IoT demo example that's being working with Windows Phone 8 app, Windows Phone 8.1 apps, and with C# and XAML, and also working with Azure storage. It's a blob storage, Azure Event Hub, Azure Stream Analytics, and Microsoft Power BI. So this is an end-to-end demo that's been working with Stream Analytics, Power BI, and with Windows Phone, and we have been able to see that how with Microsoft IoT Foundation we could be able to see the real-time challenges with big data, IoT, and the data problem. So we can work with any types of data, either big data or small data, and we could be able to work with Azure. On the Azure IoT platform, we could be able to work end-to-end on this, whether from Windows Phone or Kinect or Xbox to Azure storage, HDI, Azure Data Factory, Azure Machine Learning, and Azure Stream Analytics. This all components works end-to-end on this IoT Foundation. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks for watching.